Hi everyone! Not long ago, I stopped by a farmer's market near my house and spotted something I hadn't seen in a while, green peas. When I was a child, my mom always made green pea rice in the summer. I loved opening the pods and finding those little green peas inside. It brought back good memories, so I bought some right away. Have you seen the Netflix show When Life Gives You Tangerines? There's a sweet scene where a family eats green pea rice together. It really touched my heart. Maybe that's why I've been wanting to eat again. So today, I want to share this comforting rice with you. First, add 2 cups of rice. Rinse until the water runs clear. Drain, then add 2.5 cups of water. Let it soak for 30 minutes. This helps the rice cook better and taste nicer. While the rice is soaking, let's prepare the peas. Open the pods one by one. It's simple and actually kind of fun. Fresh peas in the pot taste better than frozen ones. Green peas may be small, but they are full of protein and are easy to digest. You need about 1 cup of peas. You can keep the rest in the fridge for later. You will notice the rice has absorbed some water. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil with the lid open. Once it starts boiling, give it a quick stir. When the water has mostly reduced, add the drained peas. You can add the peas at the beginning, but I find that adding them now keeps the color bright and the texture just right. Cover and simmer on low for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for another 10 minutes. It smells so good! And look at that color, so pretty. Gently fluff the rice with a rice powder, being careful not to crush the peas. This kind of rice is perfect for summer, light but satisfying. And that's it! Easy, comforting green pea rice. It's a simple dish but full of flavor and memories. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye!